Well, good morning, magandang umaga. We are here in front of Rotary Club Lipa South here in Lipa City, where we are providing what we normally do on an annual basis. We're doing a project, our annual project that has to do with healthcare screening and providing services and appliances for a lot of the people in our local community at no cost to them. Today we're doing things like hearing tests, providing hearing aids. We're doing eyesight tests, providing free glasses for the people in our community. We are doing things like, providing wheelchairs for those who are in need of wheelchairs, providing prosthetics. We had a screening previously for the prosthetics for people who are lost a leg, and we did the fitting previously, and those prosthetics are in today, and they're going to be fitted, and we're going to send a bunch of people home today with new legs. And there are other things. I don't know if I mentioned, we're going to also be doing ladies cancer screening as well, and some other services here today. Anyway, let's go ahead and get today started and go in and see what's going on here at the Rotary Club of Lipa South.
This is porridge or lugaw with dried garlic and calamansi. So good for the patients and for the Rotarians. Yeah.